Are you looking for the best laptop backpack? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best laptop backpack on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Best Overall Laptop Bag. The Timbuk2 Authority Deluxe comes equipped with a well-padded dedicated laptop pocket at the back of the pack and a second sleeve embedded in the main compartment to accommodate a second laptop, portable monitor, or tablet. It has a nice array of pockets, removable sternum straps, key clip, and a great pair of bottom compression straps that allow you to carry a jacket or umbrella outside your pack. The well-cushioned back and ergonomic shoulder straps are comfortable and breathable. Our testers found the main body fabric beads water well and the bottom to be waterproof. We also appreciated this bag's trolley strap, which allows it to piggyback on any other piece of roller luggage. Our leader tester summarized it best: "I think this is a perfect for work and travel. It's built to last, and it has clean lines and a professional style." Specifications: compatible laptop size 43.2 cm 17.0. Volume 20L. Number of main compartments 3. Number of large pockets 3. Notable large pockets: 1 exterior zippered, 1 laptop sleeve, 1 document sleeve. We identified a few drawbacks worth mentioning on the Timbuk2 Authority Deluxe. Compared to many packs we tested, this one has a narrower profile. There was plenty of room for flat items like computers, notebooks, and folders, but it could be a tight fit if you also want to toss in a bulky fleece or change of clothes within the main compartment. Similarly, there is only 1 water bottle pocket, which only fits skinnier bottles. We tried a standard 1L Nalgene, and it did not fit in this pocket. Number 2. Best value for a great laptop backpack. It has a separate laptop compartment with excellent back padding that fits both our tall and short torsoed testers, and the flexible shoulder straps are comfortable enough for all-day carry. Our reviewer said, "The pack easily stood up while I rifled through it, and it fit my 16-inch laptop without issue." Durable water bottle pockets and a few handy features, like all-over reflective loops, a sternum strap with whistle, a webbing waist belt, and a Velcro strap and hole for a hydration bladder, make this bag a solid choice for more than just laptop carting. If you like these features but have a smaller 15-inch laptop, or less, take a look at the slightly less expensive Borealis, which is another one of our favorite high-value bags. Specifications: compatible laptop size 40.6 cm 16.0. Volume 30L. Number of main compartments 3. Number of large pockets 2. Notable large pockets: 1 exterior mesh drop-in pouch, 1 exterior fleece-lined top zippered, 1 exterior top zippered with multiple accessory pouches, 1 laptop sleeve. The semi-rigid, padded back panel on the North Face Recon is protective and comfortable for walking to class or running through a train station. However, one tester noted, "I didn't like that the unpadded center strip dug into my spine when I was bent forward on a bike." Testers also found it somewhat difficult to grab a water bottle from the side pouch while wearing the pack, although we do like how securely the thick, durable fabric of the bottle holders restrains water bottles once inserted. Number 3. Best laptop backpack on a tight budget. We love the wide variety of pockets that, if necessary, can accommodate multiple devices. The interior padding protected our tech devices from plops, drops, and accidental kicks. Its features differentiate it from other packs, including a USB plug and port combo, a detachable keychain clip, and special pockets for items like pens and water bottles. It also has some catch-all pockets that keep loose odds and ends organized. Our lead tester also noted the surprising quality of its hardware, commenting, "I really like the smooth functionality of the zippers, something not always available on budget packs." Specifications: compatible laptop size 39.6 cm 15.6. Volume 28L. Number of main compartments 3. Number of large pockets 3. Notable large pockets: 1 exterior zippered with multiple accessory pouches, 1 laptop sleeve. There are only a couple of features that we question with the Maytine Travel. Although we love the action of the zippers, many of them are very jingly when walking. There is sufficient padding, but the back panel can still feel lumpy when this pack is fully loaded with equipment. This pack showed no signs of wear during our test cycle, but our test team was left questioning its long-term durability, particularly around the stitching. Number 4. Best for packing tech with precision. In our evaluations, we could fit multiple laptops, a tablet, chargers, lunch, books, folders, and other work supplies. Its professional office style is suitable for work, school, or even travel. Tester Ben Applebaum-Bosch raved, saying, "With 3 main compartments and an array of smaller embedded pockets, I found it super easy to stay organized and access all my items easily." Specifications: compatible laptop size 40.6 cm 16.0. Volume 17L. Number of main compartments 3. Number of large pockets 3. Notable large pockets: 1 exterior zippered with multiple accessory pouches, 1 exterior zippered, 1 laptop sleeve. Though we love the encase icon, we know some folks are toss-it-in-the-bag types who won't use all the organizational features. If you prefer to throw your stuff into one compartment, this high organization pack is not for you. It is also so tech-forward that it does not have any water bottle pockets. If water bottle pockets are an important feature to you, the North Face Borealis offers some of our favorites from the test group. Number 5. Best for high capacity. It can fit almost any laptop and charger in the laptop pocket, and its secondary compartment is large enough to accommodate at least 3 days' worth of clothing. It has webbing on the back to secure it to a wheeled suitcase, so you don't have to wear it while navigating an airport. For most work trips, it could replace a traditional carry-on suitcase. It comes with enough small pockets to hold pens, highlighters, earbuds, and any other accessories we need daily for work on the go. Specifications: compatible laptop size 43.2 cm 17.0. Volume 50L. Number of main compartments 3. Number of large pockets 3. Notable large pockets: 1 exterior zippered with multiple accessory sleeves, 3 interior drop-in, 1 laptop sleeve. We have just a few issues with the Urpack. This pack is so oversized that it can overwhelm people with smaller frames. One tester quickly said, "I love this bag's packable volume, but I feel that its capacity is so large that, when fully loaded, the weight is likely to be uncomfortable for some users." We also don't love the aesthetic. It's not really what we would call sleek. However, it's available in several different color options. All told, this pack is extremely functional, and we particularly love its high capacity, affordable design for air travel.